Hello and welcome to another update video about Bitcoin. It was a bit of a non-event day, a bit of a so-called nothing burger day. Despite CPI, we didn't really see any price movement. I'm hoping now that we can lock in the top here of this wave 4 and that we finally can get the flush in the wave 5 of wave 3 below 25,300. That would be great. Ideal target range sort of between 24 and 24.5K for another low. That would be ideal. Bear in mind, we also have support at this trend channel, which is not perfectly defined, but got a bit of a trend channel, a bit of a descending trend line going on there. That could provide some support as we come down further. There isn't much going on, obviously, so I hope that at least tomorrow will take us out of this corrective mess. Sideways action, boring. We have a bit of a trend channel here in which we are moving at this stage. Bitcoin is about to break below it, and I really hope that this was the top here, which got rejected there as well. Yeah, we had a bit of a rejection there. That this is now the top for the wave 4 and we're finally selling off, but I cannot confirm that before price breaks below the Saturday low, which was at 25,415. But I have to tell you that obviously there's a very, very important support level below it, the 25.3K level. So from that point of view, I would rather look at that level as a possible breakdown point. Yeah, at least nothing changed here on the chart, so the forecast is still down as long as we see corrective price action to the upside instead of impulsive. You have to know that a low could be in. Yeah, this is now basically sort of at the moment with this in this price range the first time that I've been saying this, or that I'm saying this. Well, within the last few months, I wouldn't have been comfortable saying the correction is over. Now, because we reached the 50% retracement level and touched it a few times, I'm happy because in an alternative wave count, which I showed you as well, in a different wave count in which we count the ending diagonal just slightly differently, basically allows for the low to be in. Yeah? So that means if we now see an impulse to the upside, I don't get a headache. Had we seen an impulse from here, yeah, the 12th of May low, or at least had we seen further upside, it wouldn't have been great because this move up was just in 3 waves. Okay, so what I want to see is another tiny low. Maybe it doesn't need to, because this move up here of the 6th of June low is an impulse, so it can always take off. But I'm favoring another low for the simple reason that the movement to the upside of the last significant swing low from Saturday, that is just corrective, and it came down very, very deep. That typically indicates that it's going to break. Okay, so from that point of view, a bit of a nothing non-event day. Hope we get some action tomorrow. I mean, to be honest, CPI data came sort of in line with what the market forecasted, so not much happened. And I think we get some volatility tomorrow, hopefully. I mean, you never really know. We can really only look at our price charts and our invalidation points and our forecasted roadmap, and it would take it further to the downside. It's just that this particular wave count here, which points to the downside, is valid in the on the micro level as well, as long as price stays below 26,820. Until then, we just need to be a bit patient. It's painful, I know. But yeah, hopefully tomorrow we'll get something moving. If we can lock in this high, which was made at 26,440, then at least we can get that flush in the 5th wave to get one step closer to completing this correction. Okay, that's my update about Bitcoin. Hope you liked the update. If you did, please hit the like button, leave a comment and subscribe. And if you really like the content, then please check out the channel membership. Thanks a lot for watching. Bye-bye.